Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen.
Hi guys, I'm Chris. How are you doing?
Okay, in today's video, I want to introduce you the 3 stones that are the real best friends for women. But no, I'm not gonna talk about diamonds. Watch me till the end, see if you agree with me. So the first stone, Garnet, it can help with your blood circulation, and the second stone, Rhodochrosite, which brings you happiness. And the third one, Moonstone, it can help balance your hormones. So why is Garnet the number 1? Most garnet jewelry in the market is red, the color of rich blood, almandine garnet, associated with your root chakra. Garnet has an incredible cleansing and energizing effect on all chakras within your body. And most importantly, garnet is the stone that wants to keep your blood flowing, as well as improving your heart rate. It can also enhance the functionality of metabolism. And it is said that garnet can improve the fertility reproductive system and regulates the female hormones so as to achieve the effect of beauty and to maintain your youthfulness. It has been told that it can even slow down your aging process. So almandine garnet is a special crystal that you can wear it on your left wrist for most circumstances, or you can wear it on your right wrist to remove negativity. Especially for ladies, it's better to wear it on your right wrist during menstrual when you feel negative energy. Rhodochrosite has the ability to relieve depression. Wearing rhodochrosite can always make you feel happy. It is associated with your heart chakra, and it can help awaken the need for love in your heart. Unlike rose quartz, rhodochrosite is more toward something practical, real action, increasing your confidence toward the goal. So it is also suitable for the people who are already in a relationship or marriage. It is said that rhodochrosite can heal the pain from a broken relationship, as well as stabilizing your emotion. Physically, rhodochrosite protects your heart, lung, the immune system, lymphatic glands, and thymus, especially for preventing breast cancer and reducing breast lesions. And rhodochrosite should be worn on your left wrist, which is close to your heart. Moonstone has a strong emotional stabilizing benefit. Wearing moonstone can soothe your impulses and help you return to a peaceful and rational state. Among the many healing stones, moonstone can promote harmony between lovers and ease quarrels. For ladies, moonstone can balance hormones in your body and has a good impact on the menstrual cycle. It is especially suitable for pregnant women, lactating women, or housewives to wear. And due to the rich colors of moonstone, each color also corresponds to different chakras, but the main healing benefits are almost the same and worn on the left wrist. Let me give you a hint. Labradorite and moonstone are extremely good to wear together. Labradorite can effectively remove the emotional anxiety. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know which stone you love the most. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Don't want to say garnet at first. Most garnet